How to send snaps are not being saved by friend. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you send snap are not being saved by friend. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Snapchat on your device. So simply you have to open the Snapchat. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat, you'll have to take a snap from here. So I will add this. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to send the snap to your friend. So right now I am sending this snap to my another ID. So I will choose here and click on this send icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so I have successfully sent that snap to my another ID. So let me log out of this ID. So I am logging in that account on my device. So I'm log outing this. Okay, so after here to save that snap, you'll have to go with the option chat. So simply tap on it. And now from here, as you can see, I have the new snap from that account. So you have to open this snap. And now from here, you can easily save that snap by clicking on this three dots just at the top right corner of that snap. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from here, you'll got options like save in chat. So simply tap in this save in chat option. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully saved that snap in my chats. So this is the easiest and simplest method for performing that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.